Hello students, welcome to Spectra Educational Academy. In this video, I am going to explain numericals which are related to time of ascent, time of descent, range, maximum height, when a body thrown upwards at an angle theta, or you can say related to oblique projectile motion. First question. A body is projected with velocity u such that its horizontal range and maximum vertical heights are same. The maximum height is, so we need to find out maximum height. So get back the equation of maximum height, that is u square sine square theta by 2g. Now, so by the given data, what you can write is range is equal to h max. So get back the equation of range. It is u square 2 sine theta and cos theta by g. You can also write this term as sine 2 theta. Now h max equation is u square sine square theta by 2g. So you can cancel g on both sides of equation. Even you can cancel u square. You can cancel sine theta. So you will get a sine theta by cos theta. Sine theta by cos theta as tan theta is equal to 2 into 2, it will be 4. So angle of projection theta is equal to tan inverse of 4. Now, when you get tan theta is equal to 4, making use of this, you have to get sine theta. How to means, so take a right angle triangle. Tan theta equal to 4 means opposite is 4, adjacent is 1. So this is theta. So hypotenuse will be, making use of Pythagoras principle, it will be 16 plus 1, it will be root 17. So therefore, h max is equal to u square by 2g. From this right angle triangle, sine theta is 4 by root 17 whole square. So you will get the u square by 2g into 16 by 17. So 2 times it will be cancelled, it will be 8. So 8u square by 17g. The fourth option is correct. Let us proceed with another question. A ball is projected obliquely with a velocity of 49 meters per second, strikes the ground at a distance of 245 meters from the point of projection. It is remained in air for, so we have to find out time of flight. So what is the expression of time of flight means? 2u sine theta by g. So in the question we have u, but you don't have theta. So let us try to find out theta. So making use of expression of range, u square sine 2 theta by g. So in the question r mentioned as 245 meters. May better you take it, this is 250. Why? Because you need to consider g as 10 is equal to you take it as 50 instead of 49. 50 square is 2500 sine 2 theta by g. G is 10, so this 0 cancelled, and this 250 cancelled. You will get a sine 2 theta is equal to 1. So 2 theta will be equal to 90. So therefore theta is equal to 45. So angle of projection is 45. Now let us substitute. Time of flight is equal to 2u. How much is u means? It is 50. Sine theta, sine 45, it will be 1 by root 2 divided by g10, 0 cancel. So let us write this 2 as root 2 into root 2 into 5 divided by root 2. So you'll get root 2 cancel. So answer is 5 root 2 seconds. So second option is correct. Let us proceed with another question. The equation of trajectory of a projectile is y is equal to 10x minus 5 by 9x square. If we assume g is equal to 10 meter per second square, we need to find out the range of the projectile in meters. So first you get back the final equation when body thrown at an angle. Y is equal to tan theta into x minus 5 by 9. Sorry, this is minus 1 by 2 g by u square cos square theta with x square. So just the given question is 10x minus 5 by 9 x square. So let us compare these two. So you'll get tan theta is equal to x. So tan theta is equal to 10. And then half g is 10 by u square cos square theta is equal to 5 by 9. On cancellation, 2 into 5 times, this 5 and this 5 get cancelled. So you'll get u square cos square theta is equal to 9. So if you cancel square left side, 9 will come under root. So you will get u cos theta is equal to 3. So you got tan theta equal to 10. Once again, you take a right angle triangle. If tan theta is equal to 10 means 10 will be opposite, 1 will be adjacent. This will be 101, 100 plus 1. Now, let us find out u first. U into, so what is cos theta adjacent? Adjacent is 1. Hypotenuse is 101. So u will be equal to, this is equal to 3. Then u will be equal to 3 root 101. Now, so the question is the range. R is equal to u square 2 sin theta and cos theta divided by g. So therefore, u square, what is u? U is 3 root 101. So it will be 9 into 101 with 2 sin theta. From the right angle triangle, sin theta is 10 by root 101. Cos theta is 1 by root 101 whole divided by g is 10. So this root 101 into 101 will become 101 and this get cancelled. So 9 2s are 18. This 0 0 cancelled. So you will get the answer 18 meters. Third option is correct. Next question. A person throws a bottle into a dustbin at the same height as he is 2 meters away at an angle of 45 degrees. The velocity of thrown is. So just try to understand, here is the person. So assume that this is the ground. Here is the dustbin. This is the dustbin, let us say. Now person throwing, it is just like projectile, falls. Now what is the range? So this is going to be the range. Range is given 2 meters. Now get back the expression of range. R is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. So range is going to be this distance between the man and dustbin is 2 meters. So range is 2 meters. U square sin. So angle of projection is 45 degrees. So sin 2 into 45 by 10. So therefore, okay, you continue to write this is g, because option is mentioned g. Then this is sin 90, it will be 1. So you'll get u square is equal to 2g. So u equal to root 2g. So fourth option is correct. So in my next video, I'll continue with a few more equations which are associated to oblique projectile motion. Thank you very much for watching my video, but don't forget to share and subscribe with your friends and relatives.